Have you ever tried blending eyeshadows with a dry sponge? Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a technique in which you're going to use dry sponge to blend out your eyeshadows to create the most stunning looks. For today's look, I'm going to be using a sticky tape in the outer corner. This is from Real Techniques, but you can use even regular office tape or scotch tape. Just in time for the holiday season, I'm going to be using Frosty the Snowman palette. This is a new one from ColourPop. My tool today is going to be a dry sponge. This one's from Ofra Cosmetics. First, I'm going to dip into this shade called Button Nose, and I'm going to simply stamp this in the outer corner. While stamping it, I'm going to deposit as much product as possible in the very outer corner and slowly start pushing it towards the center of the lid. And of course, you can dip that sponge back in the eyeshadow as much as you want and keep layering till you're happy with the intensity. Sponges are great for softening harsh lines. In this case, you don't even get those harsh lines because you're using a sponge. Next, I'm going to dip into Splendid, which is a beautiful sky blue color. I'm going to press it to the center of the lid so it deposits maximum color in the center. And then I'm going to diffuse out the edges, especially the sides, so they melt into the other eyeshadows. That got done so quickly, effortlessly and seamlessly. Now using a clean blending brush, I'm going to even out the edges. And for the inner corner, I'm going to finish up with a glitter. This one's called 1969. With a brush, I'm going to simply press it in the inner corner, blending it with the eyeshadows. I'm going to bring that glitter all the way to that sky blue shade, so I'm going to go over it. I felt like I wanted to deepen the outer corner a little bit more, so I'm taking some black eyeshadow and buffing it out in the very outer corner. And then I'm going to pick up that black eyeshadow with an angled brush, and I'm going to create a small wing and a liner in my top lash line. And I'm keeping the eyeliner very close to the lashes. Let's go ahead and remove that tape. That looks stunning. I'm going to quickly clean up underneath with some concealer and powder. To make the brown in my eyes pop, I'm going to be using a cobalt blue pencil in my waterline. This is the Floater Matte Retractable Pencil by ColourPop, which is completely sold out. So I'm going to link something else very similar to this in the description box below. And then using Button Nose again, I'm going to stamp it right underneath that liner and soften everything up. To highlight my inner corner, I'm going to be using Jolly Soul with a flat shading brush. It's time to finish up, so I'm going to first curl my lashes to prep for mascara. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Ciate Wonder Wand Mascara. I'm going to be applying a generous coat both to my top as well as bottom lashes before I use false lashes. And for lashes, I'm going to be using Tatti lashes in TL19. I love the fact that these are wispy, so you can still see the eye makeup, and they wing out, elongating your eyes. And here's the finished eye look, quick, easy and efficient using a dry sponge. I'm going to pair this with a beautiful nude lip. I'm going to start with Limitless Brown Lip Liner by Makeup Forever. I'm going to use it in the borders and slowly blur it inward. And I'm going to fill in my lips with the Say Lip Blur in Modern. That gives a beautiful nude ombre lip and pairs really well with dramatic eyes. And here is the finished look, and I would love your thoughts on this. And if you try this method, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed in the description box below. And if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, now is the time, because I'm going to start doing giveaways for the holidays, so make sure you're following me there. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.